For anybody who's wondering how to make your own Greater Key of Solomon talismans, here we go. Or this is how I make them anyway. In front of me is, of course, the picture, so I am not doing this entirely from memory. I am looking at the picture on my laptop screen, but to get those perfect circles, you need a circle template. Either one of these little guys, is this showing up? Either one of these, or you just find something that's round, that's about the right size, and you draw your circle. Because if you try to draw a circle freehand, well, you can sometimes get it with practice, but you're generally not the best. And the straight lines, well, while I can often just do them no problem, I like to draw it out first to make sure it actually looks decent. Especially if it's going out to a customer, they might want it to look a little more perfect than just my random freehand versions, so... And this is why you draw it out first, because hopefully this can actually be seen. I'll move my hand out of the way. Just show me doing the lines a little better. Now this particular pen I'm using, unfortunately, doesn't dry very fast. Anyways, now for the little circles on the inside, again, you can freehand them, but might as well make them look nice, right? And keep in mind, when you're using a template, you may think, oh, that's a little big, because it's going over the lines there. Let's see if that can actually be seen. With my fancy GoPro, haha, not really a GoPro. Anyway, since it's inside the lines, you may think that's a little small, but or outside the lines, but not really, because when you draw the circle, it actually goes inside the lines and is smaller than you'd think. So you want something a little larger than you think you do. Again, this looks like it wouldn't quite be the right size, but you're drawing inside the lines, so it ends up being the right size. And when I get the actual Dremel out, I can adjust for imperfections. I guess I could trace this part out beforehand. Usually stuff like this I just do freehand. But I'll trace it out just so you know what I'm up to. And the handy thing is, if you don't think it's perfect enough before it dries, you just do that. Depending on the type of pen you're using. Or you could always do it in pencil and erase it. But that's a lot of work. Okay, next up. I hope I have the angle good on this so you guys can actually see this. don't actually currently have an order for one of these. I just thought I'd engrave something just to show everybody the steps and how you can actually do it. I have just a cheap old Dremel for this. Usually I use a Fortum, but for this video, hopefully you can actually see something. Hopefully I'll get this angle not too bad so you can actually see. There we go, the outside line. The recording device is in the way of me seeing it. So it's not turning out the best anyway. Now these ones, I actually want to go more outside my design, so I'll just take it around the outside edge here. Now, you want to go slower than I am, because most people don't have 20 spare copper discs sitting in the drawer. So they could just, quickly make a video. Now you'll notice how I turn the disc to go along the line. That's actually a very important part. You want to turn the disc so you're at a good angle for the engraving. Now most people will want to draw out the letters ahead of time too. Oh, the designs around. The Hebrew letters and these designs will want to draw it beforehand usually. And one reason to draw them out beforehand is this bottom line here. It would have worked better if I started over here instead of right here. Would have been a little more awesome. And also the letters don't come out this nice on your first try, believe me. So you want to practice on some scrap metal first before you get the nice discs. Nice discs are like 10 bucks each. You don't want to just use them up, right? Okay, next up are the Hebrew letters. Again, you want to practice a bunch on scrap metal first until you're really good at Hebrew letters. Hopefully the food is seen in the video.
Thanks for watching, comment, like, and share.